Today we're going to review the Icon two-person car kit. This is a kit that we purchased. We're reviewing it because we believe in it. It comes with a multi-tool with a window breaker and seatbelt cutter that can be strapped down or fastened to any place in the vehicle. The kit itself has a safety whistle attached, a MOLLE outer case with attachment points for roll bars or clips any place in the vehicle, carrying handle. The pack itself has a outer clip. Let's see what all's inside. Okay, inside the pack, first thing you see is stickers. Everybody needs more stickers. There's a first aid kit. We'll get into that later. Mask. Well, with everything going on right now, we all know how valuable those can be. There's chem lights, matches, flashlight, extra battery, kindling. On this side, there's some packages of emergency C, some emergency blankets, some emergency drinking water, a safety vest. There's more emergency drinking water on both sides of the pouch. Let's pull it apart and see what else is in here. I unpacked the first aid kit and I was shocked at how much stuff was in there. From the custom bandages, the iPad. You can see here there's a mouth guard for CPR, which is something you don't see in many packs. Sting and burn relief. There's soap wipes. And then the respirator mask, scissors, emergency blankets. You see the drinking water, the flashlight, the backup battery, the chem lights, the safety vest in case you have problems at night. So if there's something in this kit that you don't see, you can always contact Icon. They can custom build for you. They have many kits available, from basic first aid kits like this to survival gear. Whatever you need, contact Icon. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Tell us what you thought of this review. If you like more, please leave it in the comments below.